Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Palm Beach. We have a new arrival in stock, Galeon 560 Fly. This boat is just incredible and the latest innovation that we've seen from Galeon. And as you know, they come out with some of the most premium and innovative yachts in its class. Just walking down the side of this boat right now, you'll see the huge windows that offer you the best visibility that you can imagine in a yacht like this. Some of the really cool features: the floor to ceiling sliding windows, fold down balconies. There's actually bar stools and an opening bar right here that you've probably seen on some of their other models. This is just the latest and the greatest. Um, it's definitely something that you're going to want to see in person, and stay tuned for the full walkthrough. If you want to set an appointment to see this boat in person, please feel free to reach me 561-427-9217. Again, I'm Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach, and I look forward to hearing from you.